like to show you this ITT Jabsco brand searchlight control panel. Here you can see a toggle switch. Let me lean it over a little bit. Toggle switch, listen. Click, 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 click. So this is a multifunction switch. Here it's in the off position. To my left, that is in the slow position. You can use this toggle right here to go up, down, right, and left in a slow speed. Off. Do the same thing, up, down, left, and right in a fast speed, and off. These two little weird things on the sides are actually fuse holders. There's a blue fuse and a red fuse. So these are the new automotive fuses called blade fuses, and if you blow a fuse, this is where the fuses are hidden in plain sight. If you want to learn more about cruising, do-it-yourself maintenance, ask Captain Chris.